Hello, boys and girls. Tonight's homework is 1-1 from your math book. We are doing place value to the hundred thousands place. Now, please keep in mind what we learned today, that there are different periods. Okay, there's the ones period, which has 3 places. It goes ones, tens, hundreds, and then we go thousands, 10,000s, and hundreds thousands. So these 3 places right here are what we call the ones period. And then these 3 places are the thousands period. Okay? So keep that in mind. I'll write thousands here. Thousands, I'll abbreviate it. Okay, so as we look at these problems, the first one, number 1, it says write each number in standard form. Okay, again, make sure you're on the practice side, but in standard form, that means the short way. So if we look at this, we have 2 groups of 1,000. So that means that in the thousands place right here, we're going to write a 2 in the thousands place. Remember, it goes ones, tens, hundreds, and then it goes thousands, 10,000, and then 100,000. Okay, so we have a 2 in the thousands place, so we're going to want to put a 2 there. We also have 2 groups of 100. These are hundreds, so we're going to put a 2 in the hundreds place. Now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10, so that's 60. And then we have 3 in the ones place, so 3. So the answer here is, in standard form, would be 2,263. Okay, that is the answer to number 1. Now number 2, we're also going to write this one in standard form. That means the short way. Okay, so 8 10,000s, remember, here's your 10,000s place, plus 4 thousands, here's your thousands place, plus 9 hundreds, we're going to put that in the hundreds place, 4 tens, put that in the tens place, and 7 ones. So go ahead and write that number out here in standard form. I'm not going to give it to you on this one. You're going to have to do it on your own. For numbers 3 and 4, you're going to write the number in word form and tell the value of the underlined digit. So for this one, this is 76. Remember, we're in the thousands period. This is the hundreds period. So this is going to be 76,000. You have to write that in word form. 76,000. Now, if you need help writing these words, please remember that I included your, oh, sorry, let me pull this up real quick. You will have this chart coming home with you. So we'll have all the numbers on it that you can use if you need to. Right here, you got your 11, 12. It tells you how to write each one of the numbers. So feel free to use that. It's going to go home with you tonight. But back to our homework page. So we've got 76,000. Now make sure you put a comma between the periods. Again, this was the thousands period. Now we're going to go into the ones period. So 76,239. Make sure you hyphenate between the 30 and the 9. So that's how we write it in word form. Now don't forget the second part though. Here it says what's the value of the underlined digit, and over here that's a 6. So but what place is it in? It's in the thousands place. Remember, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, it's in the thousands place. So that 6 is worth 6,000. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Go ahead and do number 4 on your own. For number 5, I want you to just go ahead and try this one on your own. Read the word problem and come up with the best answer you can. Okay, for number 6, during a weekend at the Movie Palace Theaters, 24,875 tickets were sold. Add the following to the number of tickets sold. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this number, you're going to just go ahead and you can write it on the side if you want or on somewhere else, but you would just write 24,875, and here you're going to add 100. So you're just going to add that 100 to the hundreds place. Okay, and then write your answer on the line. Okay, go ahead and try number 8 and number 9 on your own. Please write number 9 in a complete sentence, and good luck to you. You should do really well on this.